So what's up guys, RBoss here, and in today's video I'm going to unbox my CPU cooler GAMMAXX 400 or 300, I don't know. So right here, like that. So first things first, and here it is, the GAMMAXX 400 EX from Deepcool. So as you can see, the package is, the box itself is a little bit dented, maybe because of the packaging, because you know it's really tight. Yep, so yep, all the components are inside. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think this is a legit box. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so the manual, installation manual, then the brackets itself. So we have different brackets. So we have two sets of bracket, because the other one is for Intel and the other one is for AMD, I think. Then the bracket, universal bracket here. As you can see, there is an AMD and AM4. Okay, it's made of plastic. Then the nuts, the free thermal compound, okay, and the additional screws and the spring screws. Okay, so let's set this aside, and now for the main item, styrofoam. Handle with care. So now look at that. Look at that, my friends. This is a big ass cooler, as you can see. Deepcool. So it has 4 heat pipes for better heat absorption. Then warning, remove before installation, so we will remove that once we install it. Then here are the wires, the 4 pin plugs, right? And here it is a double panned. Yep, has 2 fans. Okay, alright. So overall, here we have the cooler itself, the brackets, panel base, and more. So this is it.